Good morning, dear students. Today we are learning a new poem, unit number 9. Unit number 9 poem we are learning today. It is a very few line or short poem. A few line, very short poem, a garden snake. So, the poet is writing, he says, when I ran here and there in fear, I saw a snake in the garden. And I told my mother also not to fear. Okay? The poet is telling not to fear. So, mother is telling that there are many kinds of good snakes and insects and sometimes the snakes comes in search of food to the garden. So did not know fear, it is a garden snake. They won't bite it at all. So, have you ever seen a snake frightening a mongoose or getting into a hole or swimming in the river? Almost everyone, believes that snakes are dangerous. Some are, most are not. Read this poem on a harmless garden snake. So, dear students, in your previous classes, when you were 6th standard, in the last end of the session, in chapter 8 and 9, you have learned about different kinds of snakes. So, this is a poem written by a poet, very short poem about the garden snake. I saw a snake and ran away. So, poet is telling, I saw a snake in the garden and I ran away. Some snakes are dangerous, they say. So, many of the people say that some snakes are dangerous. But mother says that kind is good. So, many of the people say snakes are dangerous. But my mother says that there are many kinds of snakes are there. They are very good and eats up insects for his food. They come only to eat the insects from our garden. So when he wiggles in the grass, I will stand aside and watch him pass. So poet is telling, when I see him walking and wiggling in the ground, I will stand aside and see what he is doing, how he is passing from there, and tell myself there is no mistake, it is just a harmless garden snake. And when I see him wiggling, walking, and going without harming anybody, then I will say that, oh, it is a very good garden snake. It is a harmless garden snake. So, dear students, it is a very short poem. So, write this poem twice with a good and beautiful handwriting in your notebook. Have a good day and thank you to all. Good morning to all of you. Let's go today through the exercise of the poem unit number 9 Golden Snake. So answer the following questions. Pick out the lines that suggest that the child is afraid of snake. Okay, so let us pick out the words in which it says that child is afraid of snake. The line that suggests that the child is afraid of snake is, I saw a snake and ran away. I saw a snake and ran away. The second question is, which line shows a complete change of the child's attitude towards snakes? We have to read it aloud. The line that shows a change in the child's attitude, I will stand aside and watch him pass and tell myself that there is no mistake, it's just a harmless garden snake. Number 3, but mother says that kind is good. What is mother referring to? So the mother is referring to the garden snake, saying it is the harmless kind of snake. Question number 2, find the word that refers to the snake's movements in the grass. Wiggles is the word that refers to the snake's movement in the grass. Number 3, there are 4 pairs of rhyming words in the poem. Say them aloud. So there are 4. Away, say. Good, foot. Grass, pass. Mistake, snake. Number 4. A snake has no legs or feet, but it moves very fast. Can you guys have discuss in the group? Okay. So a snake has no legs or feet, but it moves very fast as it slithers over the grass. This is done by alternatively contracting and relaxing its body muscles. Question number 5. Can you recall the word used for a cobra's long sharp teeth? Where did you come across this word first? So the word fungus, okay, the word fungus is used for cobra's sharp teeth. They contain poisons, so all poisonous snakes have fungus. I first came across this word when my mother asked me to take care while playing in busy areas, as I may get bitten by a poisonous snake. So dear students, this is an exercise of a garden snake poem. You have to complete in your notebook with a good and beautiful handwriting. Have a good day and thank you to all.